In this video, I'll show you how to get the KAST virtual crypto debit card and what to expect so you can decide if it fits your needs. Start by downloading the KAST app and creating an account, then complete KYC, which typically means entering basic details and uploading an ID so the card can be issued in your name. Once approved, go to the card section and look for the option to generate or activate a virtual card. On many crypto card apps, the virtual card can be available without shipping and may show a $0 issuance fee, but fees and availability can vary by region and account status. After the card is active, you can use the virtual card for online purchases and, if supported in your country, add it to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Keep in mind you'll need enough funded balance for transactions, and declines can happen if your balance is low, merchant rules block prepaid/crypto cards, or the app is converting assets at the time of purchase. For safety, start with small test purchases, review the app's fee schedule, and only deposit crypto you're comfortable moving through a card service. Subscribe for more honest, step-by-step crypto app guides and